PC47 Sliding Doors, where superior functionality meets sleek design. Create bright and comfortable living areas, perfect for commercial and residential projects. Fill your space with natural light and achieve excellent thermal and acoustic performance. Choose the PC47 Sliding Doors and withstand the test of time via reduced heat loss and a high security lock. Here, modern aesthetics bring reliable performance and smooth operation. Benefit from a range of options to match your style. Tailor your vision from over 200 colors and dual pattern options. Complement your interior and exterior decor with a floor-to-frame transition and an eco-drain for a seamless and practical finish. Enjoy easy installation, expert advice, detailed quotations, and a comprehensive site survey. Choose perfect crystal windows and transform your home today.